Emelis with a blocker out in front. Emelis dives. Touchdown. And Emelis is in. UMass can tie the game. That one picked off. Isaiah Rogers clears sailing. He's one of the best in program history at doing just that. The senior Rogers has given UMass the lead. Blitz is coming. Curtis throws it for Palmer. Touchdown. On fourth down, Sadiq Palmer has the score. From the 37. Pass to the sideline is picked off. The West Virginia transfer, Jordan Adams, with a horse collar coming up at the end, is inside the 5-yard line. A grad transfer coming from a Power 5 program. That's his first big play with UMass. Curtis walks in. Touchdown Minutemen.
What a development here in Amherst.
About 14 unanswered points to start the second half. Win number 1 in the Walt Bell era for UMass. It comes against the old MAC foe, the Akron Zips.
Hey, family on 2, 1, 2.